Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up shipping on Big Cartel. Let's get started. First go to bigcartel.com, then click on Login up here. Enter in your shop's URL and then password, then click Login again. This will lead you to the Big Cartel dashboard. In here, click on Account here in the navigation menu, then scroll down until you see the Shipping Profiles Beta section. Click on Edit Your Shipping down here, and then scroll down once again to the Product Shipping Profile section. Then click on Add Product Shipping Profile down here. Next, in this new tab, click on this plus icon to create a new shipping rate. Enter in your desired shipping fee, then once you're done, click Save down here to save your changes. And that is how you can set up shipping on Big Cartel. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.